Biology is a vast field that studies life in all its forms, from microscopic bacteria to massive ecosystems. But did you know that biologists specialize in different areas based on the organisms they study and the methods they use? In this video, we'll break down every major type of biologist and what they do. Microbiologist. Microbiologists study microscopic organisms such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Their work is crucial in medicine, food safety, and environmental science. Some microbiologists work in hospitals, studying infectious diseases. Others focus on industrial microbiology, helping develop food preservatives or antibiotics. Zoologist. Zoologists specialize in the study of animals, including their behavior, physiology, and evolution. Wildlife biologists study animals in their natural habitats, often working in conservation. Marine zoologists focus on ocean creatures, from tiny plankton to massive whales. Entomologists specialize in insects, studying their role in ecosystems and agriculture. Botanist. Botanists study plants, from tiny algae to towering trees. They play a key role in agriculture, medicine, and environmental science. Plant physiologists study how plants grow and adapt to different environments. Ethnobotanists research how people use plants for medicine, food, and cultural practices. Marine biologists study life in the ocean, from coral reefs to deep-sea creatures. Some focus on marine mammals like dolphins and whales. Others study how climate change affects marine ecosystems. Ecologists study how organisms interact with each other and their environment. Conservation ecologists work to protect endangered species and ecosystems. Urban ecologists study how cities impact wildlife and biodiversity. Evolutionary biologists. These scientists study how life has changed over time, tracing the origins of species through fossils and DNA. Some focus on human evolution, studying ancient fossils and genetics. Others research how bacteria evolve resistance to antibiotics. Geneticists study DNA, genes, and heredity. Medical geneticists work on understanding genetic diseases and developing treatments. Agricultural geneticists improve crops by making them more resistant to pests and diseases. Molecular biologists work at the smallest levels of life, studying how cells function at the molecular level. They often work in medicine, researching how diseases like cancer develop. Some develop new treatments, such as gene therapy. Neurobiologists study the nervous system, including the brain and nerves. Their work helps us understand brain disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Some research how memories are formed and how the brain adapts to injuries. Paleobiologists study ancient life by examining fossils. They help reconstruct what prehistoric ecosystems looked like. Some focus on extinct species like dinosaurs, while others study ancient bacteria. Biomedical scientists focus on human health and disease. They develop vaccines, study how viruses spread, and create new medical treatments. Many work in labs, testing blood samples and researching potential drugs. Astrobiologists study the possibility of life beyond Earth. They analyze extreme environments on Earth to understand how life might survive on other planets. Some work with space agencies like NASA, searching for microbial life on Mars and beyond. Forensic biologists apply biological science to criminal investigations. They analyze DNA, blood samples, and other evidence to solve crimes. Some specialize in studying insect activity on decomposing bodies to determine the time of death. Environmental biologists study how human activities affect ecosystems. They work in conservation, pollution control, and resource management. Many collaborate with governments and organizations to create environmental policies. Biotechnologists use biological processes for industrial and medical applications. They help develop genetically modified crops. Some work in pharmaceuticals, creating new medicines and vaccines. Immunologist. Immunologists study the immune system and how it fights infections. Their research helps in developing vaccines and treatments for diseases like COVID-19. Some focus on autoimmune disorders, such as lupus and multiple sclerosis. Wildlife biologist. Wildlife biologists focus on conserving and studying wild animal species. They track endangered species and develop strategies to protect them. Many work in national parks or wildlife reserves. Parasitologist. Parasitologists study parasites, such as tapeworms, malaria-causing organisms, and ticks. Their work is crucial in preventing and treating parasitic diseases. Many work in tropical medicine, studying diseases like malaria and schistosomiasis. Toxicologist. Toxicologists study poisons and their effects on living organisms. They help identify harmful chemicals in food, drugs, and the environment. Some work in forensic science, determining causes of poisoning deaths. Cryobiologist. Cryobiologists study how life survives at extremely low temperatures. Their work is important for organ preservation and fertility treatments. Some research how animals survive freezing conditions in the wild. Structural biologist. Structural biologists study the 3D shapes of proteins and molecules inside cells. Their research helps in drug design and understanding genetic disorders. Many use advanced tools like X-ray crystallography and electron microscopes. Biologists come in many different types, each focusing on a unique aspect of life, whether studying tiny microbes, vast ecosystems, or even the possibility of alien life. Biologists play a crucial role in expanding our understanding of the world. Which type of biologist interests you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos where we explain everything in minutes.